just want to observe a few things as we pull up this chart. Just want to observe. We don't need this. Okay. We need this, and we need this. Okay, this is S&P 500. Okay. So we can see from this chart here that around this point, from here to here and maybe here, there was a sort of a little divergence here. Okay, as the price goes higher over this point, there was a little divergence here from here through to maybe here. Okay, so as I zoom in, you will see that there was a little divergence here. See, okay, as the price goes higher, there was a little divergence here. Okay, however, this divergence was broken around this point. Okay, and right now there's some sort of a convergence as the price goes higher. Okay, we see that the indicator is also making higher. You see that? Okay, so this is actually a good sign of the market. Okay, because after this divergence, usually if there's a convergence again, it's a good sign that there may be a continuation of the trend. Okay, in fact, if you zoom backwards and you see the S&P chart, right, that CSI is mainly asking you to buy. Here we have a lot of arrows here. We recently, in the last April to May, there's also quite a bit of arrows over here to ask you to buy. Okay, so I feel that this is quite a good signal. Okay, the confirmation of the uptrend. At the same time, the recent up arrow over here. Okay, we have the up arrow over here, and we see that the trend rating, okay, as the price broke above the resistance here, okay, around 1900 and 1900, okay, as the price broke above the resistance, we see that this arrow over here, not only has it break above the resistance, it has also given us a trend rating, okay, indicating that the uptrend is still strong, okay, or is confirmation of uptrend. Okay, so any pullback, so long as it maintains above this dotted red line, we will see that it's an uptrend. Okay, so we have two signs here. Number one is there's a confirmation using the CSI indicator. Okay, as the price goes higher, the indicator also goes higher, which is good. Number two is as the 3 days ago, as the price break higher above resistance, there was a trend rating. Okay, so all this points to the further upside, okay, of the S&P. Any question? Okay. Any question? No question. Let's go to the STI. Okay, let's look at the STI. I think I have pointed out this in the blog before. Okay, we can see from here that there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 arrows already on the STI, and not only that, out of the 7 arrows, okay, there were 1 which is above trend rating, confirmation of uptrend. Okay, this one no, this one yes again, this one yes again, this one no, and this one yes again. Okay, so altogether we have 1, 2, 3, 4 valid signal, okay, of uptrend, or 4 valid signal of buy arrow. Okay, as compared to the previous rally, let's say in November 13, this arrow, little arrow here, no trend rating, brown. So after that it came down. This one again, no trend rating. After that it came down again. Okay, this one, price lower than this candle. It's lower than this candle. However, the trend rating was there. Okay, and you will follow up 50%, 30%, 20%. Now you're still riding on the current profit. Okay, so STI again is uptrend. I mentioned the other time when we draw the trend line down, okay, somewhere around here, we draw the trend line down, that once the trend, this downtrend line is broken, right? I think there are further upside. Okay, we also look at the resistance here, okay, and the support over here. Okay, the previous support around here. Okay, so we can see from here that the STI has broken above the resistance over here. You see? Okay. Again, I feel that there are more upside. Okay, more upside. Okay, the next target for this will be the congestion area around here. And once it clear, I think next level will be around 3,004 and then 3,400. Okay. So these are the levels. Okay. Number one is 3,315. Next level will be 3,004 and 3,450. Okay. From here to here, I think will be quite fast. Okay. Any question again? Again, rather than predicting the market, I suggest those to follow the arrows and follow the system. Okay. Next, we go to the individual stocks. Go to the individual stocks. The individual stocks will be, I pick up using comparative scan some of these stocks. Okay. Let me show you the results of the comparative scan. Okay, I rank it by day. We have BAT, KrisEnergy, Astra, Yangzijiang, and CSE Global. Okay, and the rest are here. Okay. Then if I rank it by week, we have Courts, BAT, Astra, Local Leisure, and some of the you just suspect here, Noble, okay, all here. Some of the stocks I believe you all have mentioned many times. Okay, so let's go to individual stocks and also some of the stocks that we have mentioned in the Kakao group. Okay, some of the leaders has back up some of the stocks. Okay, we will also discuss those stocks in this webinar. Okay, feel free to, if you have any questions, just type the question in the chat box. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, we will do some distinction here as in what are good stocks to use the comparative scan out and what are not so good stocks. Okay, so let's look at first one. Okay, look at Hanko. Okay, Hanko is in one of the comparative scan. Maybe in the week is there. Okay, in the comparative scan, the week stock will be there. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last 5 days is a comparatively strong stock. Okay. However, looking at the chart, I believe that this stock is okay. So so if you are not I would suggest to go long on this kind of stocks. Okay, the pullback has been too far down already. Okay, so just take note. Okay, I will not go. I will not buy this stock, okay, based on this kind of price action. I will buy the stock if it's a small pullback, okay, minor pullback, but this pullback has been too big, okay. So in fact, I will be maybe later part selling on strength for the stock and go, okay. Any questions? You can also see that the comparative, the trend rating is not really high. Went up so high, but the comparative is still not above 0.5. Okay, so I will avoid anchor at the moment for buying. Okay. Next, CSE Global also appeared on the comparative strong stocks on the week. Okay, you can see CSE Global here. Okay, on the day, today is a strong stock. Okay, so you can see that because today has spread up quite a bit. Okay, that's why it's on the comparative strong stock base. Okay, again, for this stock, I won't look at to buy. Okay, in fact, it's still on the downtrend. Okay, so even though it appeared on the comparative strong stock on the day, it will still not be on my buy list. Okay, it will still not be on my buy list. If I want to buy, I will maybe need to wait for another, if it goes up another maybe 2 weeks to a month, okay, before we can have a better signal to buy. Okay, so better not buy lah, because you will end up tracking this stock for too long. Okay, so we will remove this stock. CSE Global. Okay, let's look at Astra. I think some chat room, in the chat group, you have mentioned about Astra. Okay, if you look at Astra, it's not actually on the uptrend yet. Okay, I think this zone is quite a critical zone. Okay, so right now at best, Astra is still on the sideways trend. Okay, not uptrend. I will only look at it to buy maybe above this region. Okay, above this region. Okay, so if you have a if you have first arrow here, okay, and you have a trend rating, maybe you want to buy 30% of the intended size, okay, 30% of the intended size, and if it breaks above the zone, then I'll add it in the other 20 to 30, okay, to make it total of 60% of the intended size. Below. So let's say example, nothing yet, buy, okay, and I will look for the absolute level of resistance okay, for this stock. Any question on extra? Okay, no question. I'll move on. Cox Asia. Okay, I think there was a buy signal here. Okay, no. There's a buy signal here, but the interesting thing is you didn't end up buying this stock. Why? Because when you have an arrow here, you're supposed to buy the next day, agree? Okay. However, you see the subsequent days, none of the days it broke above the previous day high. Agree? So even with this arrow, after so many days, you will not have bought this stock at all. Okay. So no signal. Because once you see the arrow, you still need to look for the break prior day high to get in. So recently, there's a big push up, okay, from 53 cents to 59 cents to almost 60 cents. Yeah, it's interesting, this stock. I may put it on my buy list, okay, and I'll continue to monitor for arrow. Okay, if this arrow, if this price doesn't drop back down, okay, I think I may look at it another 1 week, 2 weeks, okay, 1 to 2 weeks later, okay, look for the buy arrow, okay. If you want to look at for this stock, okay, I would say that this is a very, very early trend. It's not a, so when it's very early, it's very weak. Okay, it's not a very confirmed trend. Okay. So if you have other stocks to look at, you can look at other stocks. Okay. Google Leisure. Okay, this stock has been having arrow around. I think in the Kakao group, again, this stock was mentioned. Okay, many arrows appeared. Basically, you're just riding the trend. Okay, riding the trend. Okay, it's still going up. Just hang on and ride the trend as it goes up. Okay, we see that the trend rating is still high. Okay, as the price is going higher, trend is still high. Okay, so continue to ride the trend. If you're in the profit, if you have bought these stocks, I know some of you all have bought this Google Leisure. Okay, if you have bought it, one way you can help you to get out is use the dotted red line, which is not 104, which is quite low. Okay, don't look like you're gonna come below 104. So what you do is just hang on to the existing stock. If you have bought your 50, 30, 20, hang on to the position. Okay, hang on to the position and then try to continue right in higher. Any question? Okay. Stop next stop. KrisEnergy, one of the stocks that appeared on our list. Okay. KrisEnergy appeared on the second on the day. Second on the day, and quite low on the week. Okay, but can take a look. Okay, this stock, KrisEnergy. Okay, price went up, come back down. Look out for the next buy arrow. Okay, look out for the next buy arrow. I think this is a possible trend reversal. Okay. Compared to the previous arrow, no trend rating. Previous arrow, no trend rating. This one very low trend rating. Okay. No trend rating. And the third one, huge trend rating. Okay. This is a possible trend reversal. Okay. If you have not bought, now you can buy maybe 20%, 30%. Okay. And then wait for the next arrow to appear. Once the next arrow appear, then you do your full time. Okay, add on the rest of the position. Okay. So take a look at KrisEnergy, see whether there is some more arrow coming. Okay, KrisEnergy. Next, today some people very concerned. Hey, Silver Lake dropped so much now. If you had bought earlier using this arrow, just follow the signal. Okay, and the stock is still on the uptrend. Okay, and don't try to break the rules. Also, I see some people halfway buy already, buyer's remorse. Then few days later, hey, drop a bit, they get out already. They don't even let the stock breathe, you know, very tight stock, and then once it drop a bit, they are out already. I think the CSI system is not a very short-term system. Okay, it's a longer-term system, which you should use it to ride longer trends. Okay, not so short trends. Okay, so Silver Lake still up. Hang on to your hope. Hang on to your stocks and wait for second arrow, third arrow. Okay. Ta Hong. Okay. Some of you mentioned Ta Hong in the chat room. Okay. There's a buy arrow here. There's a buy arrow here. Okay. So next day you must break above the high you buy. Next 2 days you're happy. Then after that, next few days you're very sad. Okay, because your gain become losses. Okay, but you take note that every over here there isn't a sell signal. Okay, the trough is at 79 cents, and the candlestick is still red. Sorry, the candlestick is still blue. Okay, indicating that the CSI is still above 0. Okay, so this is just the correction. Okay, the last few days it's went back up again. Okay, I won't sell. Okay, just hang on to your arrows. Okay. But okay, but has 2 arrows. I think again is mentioned in the Kakao group. But today has an arrow again. So what do you do? Tomorrow is for it to break above the high. Okay, break above the high. If it doesn't, they pull back down, wait for the turn above the high to buy. Okay. Okay, so this is for VAT. I think this is also a very good possible uptrend stock. Okay. Can look at VAT. Okay. For long. Okay, last few. Okay, we have Yang Zhejiang. Stock drop. Okay. And recovered. I think this is a huge momentum down. Okay, in fact, I did a short around 1025. I think one of the group inside the Kakao group, they saw me do the trade. Okay, 1025. I covered back at $1. It's a 1-day trade, okay. It's a 1-day trade, and I think the stock may be coming down again. Okay, this is a huge move down. Right now it's a rebound. 50% is the 50% of the candle will be the resistance. After that, look out for the next arrow down. Look out for the next arrow down. Okay. So this one I will put it in my short list. Okay. If you have long the stock, get out. Okay. Sell on strength. Sunbig today also mentioned in the Kakao group, not in the list. Okay. Again, very early trend. Very early trend, and I think it's okay to get in a bit, buy a bit first, and then look out for signals to get in. Okay. Okay. You can buy a bit first, and then look out for the second arrow. This is based on the first arrow. Okay, the first arrow, we have the arrow here, and then didn't break high, didn't break high, didn't break high, you got in today. Okay, and now you're looking for the second arrow to get in some more. Okay, Chris, you got a question here. Why don't I see the green arrow on my CSI for Tak Hong? Okay, if you don't see a green arrow, very simple, right click, expert advisor, expert properties, click cancel here. Over here, expert editor, click on simple, uncheck this toolbox, uncheck it, then click OK. Uncheck the toolbox, okay? Expert properties, cancel, uncheck long exit and short exit. Okay, Chris? Uncheck long exit and short exit. Okay? Click OK, then your arrow should appear. Okay? If no arrow appear, I will check for you later. Okay? Any other question? Okay, let's look at some of your stocks. Okay, we have Bumitama. Bumitama is another stock that keep appearing on the list, right? Okay, Bumitama keep appearing on the strong list, right? Recently. Okay, so Bumitama, the arrow haven't turned, the candlestick haven't turned red yet, but today break below trough. Okay, today break below trough. So if you have bought earlier, maybe here, I think we have mentioned this stock before, that's why I ordered line, right? Okay, if you have bought earlier and it break below trough, you can consider to take profit if you are in profit. If you are not in profit, let's say example, you didn't long here, didn't do here. And let's say you bought the last one here, okay? And then you're losing money. Hang on, okay? Hang on, and hopefully it turns up, okay? However, if it breaks below, if you continue breaks below and this line breaks below the zero, then you must sell, okay? Any questions? So if you have bought it earlier, today break below the trough, you can sell, take profit. If you only bought on the last arrow, no profit, right? Then you wait for the candlestick to turn red to sell. When the candlestick turn red, it can be even lower price, okay? But at least you give it more space to bring brief, okay? So this is for Fumitama. Any question? Next one is CWT. CWT we actually mentioned in the blog, in the Facebook, right? Okay. You mentioned this stock in the Facebook, I think somewhere in April. Okay. And now it's in almost in June already. Okay. This stock still a hold. Okay. Still a hold and riding further gains. Okay, before I forget, please go to this Facebook group, okay? Let me share with you this group. Okay? This group is called Facebook group slash facebook.com/groups/mastermind trader. Okay? I will follow a few stocks from this list. Okay. Let me just go back, show you the list, okay? Where are my stocks? Okay, yeah. Okay. So we have here OS Group, okay, April the 4th, and this is Tiger Air. No, this is too big. Okay, okay, got a lot. Okay. So after that, Donovan is one of the blogger but his view a bit extreme so read with a pinch of salt, okay? And a bit extreme, I feel his view. He's always calling a market crash. Since no, he's not a student. Since January, he has been calling market crash. Where am I stock? Where I saw the stock. Okay, anyway, go and look through it. CWT is there. Indo Agri is there, and things like that. Okay, go back to here. Can you see minus of screen? Okay, go and take a look. So the Donovan thing is just read with a pinch of salt. I think he's a very young guy. Okay, I spoke to him a few times on Facebook. Okay. Understand what is the top super group? CWT and Fumida are done already. Okay. Next one is super group. Okay, super group. Oh yeah, just now regarding the Facebook page, please go and join, because in our graduate group, I don't actually post up tips or ideas, right? But over at the Facebook group, I'll post up ideas based on the system. Okay. So this super group. Super group is still bearish. Okay. There was a signal here. Sell, sell, and then sell again. And now it's still wait. So just hang on to your short. Okay. I think some graduates shorted here at this arrow. And haven't exited yet. Just hang on to your that short. Okay. Hang on to your short. Stop. Okay. Think on he also attended the professional trader course recently conducted by Kenny. Okay. So if you have shorted, hang on to your short. Okay. The price recovered. Okay, but the trend rating is below zero. That means this recovery is more of a consolidating of this down move. Okay, this down move, consolidate this down move. I think there's further downside. Okay, for this stock. Okay, OS Group. OS Group, we sold once. There was a few buy arrows. We got in, and then we got out. Okay, this OS Group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 signals. We got up trend rating right below. Sorry, the 12 line right below 12 line. I think this one I posted in the blog. Sorry, posted in the Facebook. Okay, there's an arrow here, but not very convincing. Okay, not very convincing arrow. Okay, trend rating is above. Trend rating is above 0.5, which is good. Yeah, maybe you can buy 30%. Okay, wait for the next arrow to appear to add in the rest. Okay, but not very convincing right now. Any question? Next one, Genting. Why not very convincing is because why not very convincing is because, okay, it broke above the resistance. Can you see? It broke above the resistance. And after that, it come back into the zone, come back into the consolidation zone. Okay. If it's a good change of trend, then you should continue to move. And you see this arrow. Okay. You should get in maybe on this candle. Okay. Didn't break Friday high, break Friday high. Okay. On this candle. And right now you just hang on to your 30 to 50%. Okay. And wait for the next arrow. Okay. Wait for the next arrow. If it's a good uptrend, then you should continue to, after this arrow, continue to move high. Active members, right? Now the stock selection is getting much better and not going all over the place. Okay, I will suggest that continue to select up stocks rather than stocks that are not very uptrend yet. Example of a stock not very uptrend is
In presentation mode, your line is muted. You will now be placed into the conference.
okay, red, and then turn back green again. Okay, turn back green again. I think this is a possible change of trend. This is a better trend reversal than, let's say, Genting just now. It's a better trend reversal compared to Genting. So if this one got second arrow, third arrow, I will still more eager to buy Tiger Air second arrow than Genting second arrow. Follow? And even like right now, let's say Genting third arrow, Tiger Eye third arrow and Genting second arrow, I'll prefer to buy Tiger Eye third arrow. Arrow. Bro, you know what I mean? It's like very early. Next one is Manhattan Resources. Sideway trend. If you have bought earlier, you should take out your position now over here.